Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Wristwatch and Wallet, and today we are going to do an unboxing of another affordable mechanical automatic watch. We will discuss the build quality, measurement and much more, but please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't. First, it is a wrist check time, and today I'm wearing my Pagani design YS005. I really like this watch. Now let's open the package. Our today watch came in this saffron color box, and the manufacturer name is mentioned on it, which is Kuerst. It's 1986. I'm not sure what exactly this 1986 means. And in the box we can find two things. One is a cushion and the other is a watch. And there is some plastic wrapped around the watch. Let me unwrap it quickly. I will speed up the video to save up some time. This is the first look of the watch after removing the plastic. The watch brand name is Kuerst and the model number is 8045E. Well, let's talk about the first impression. But before that, to be honest, this time I got a defective watch. As you can see, on winding, only the date is getting changed. I've already opened a dispute with the AliExpress, and the good thing is they have reacted very quickly, but the bad thing is they are offering only a partial refund. And if I want a full refund, then I have to ship this item to China. And unfortunately, nowadays I don't have free time to go around and do the shipping to China. So I'm thinking of going with a partial refund. Anyway, the watch is not working, but still we can discuss about it. Let's quickly talk about the first impression. And many of you must have guessed by now that the design of this watch is inspired from a famous watch brand named Cartier. And the model number from which this design is inspired is Binbond watch, and the model number is 3284. However, the date window at position 3 is not available in the original one. Secondly, the crown guard is missing in this one. I'm sure there will be much more differences, but those are the main differences which I have noticed quickly after looking at the watch. Let me know in the comment section if you think there are more differences than what I have mentioned in this video. Now, to be honest, the watch build quality seems to be solid, and the perfect circular shape gives it a formal look with elegance. The big bold indices are easy to read, and this is a minimalistic look watch. Now let's talk about the build quality. The case of the watch is built of alloy, and makers have not tried to hide it. They have also mentioned the same thing on the listing. However, it is very well polished and it just looks like a stainless steel case. And then on the right hand side we have a push-pull crown with a coinage pattern, and there's some blue color gem pasted on it, which giving it a royal look. Then we have a silver color dial with big beautiful Roman numeral indices. Also we have an internal chapter ring with minutes and hours marking. Then at position 3 we can see a date window with a silver border, which also enhancing the dial beauty. The hands are blue and give a perfect contrast on a silver color dial. There is no lume applied anywhere on the watch. And then we have solid stainless steel bracelet with solid links. On side it is polished, and from center it is brushed. It is polished as side profile as well. The links are held together by push pins, which are fine. And then we have a butterfly clasp, which is nice. And then we have a see-through case back, and we can see there is some information engraved on case back. And then we can see a beautifully decorated rotor. Now about the measurements. As per the seller's website, the case diameter is around 42 mm and lug to lug is around 12.5 mm. The lug to lug length is around 45 mm. The case thickness is around 12.5 mm, and watch provides a standard 30-meter water resistance. And here how it looks on a 6.5 inches wrist, but as usual I need to remove a few links, but since it is not working, so there's no point of doing anything with this watch. That's all for now, and thank you very much for joining me on this quick unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Happy watch collecting, and I will see you in the next video.